Swagger is a powerful tool for API development. It simplifies the process of designing, building, and documenting APIs. APIs are essential for connecting different software systems. Managing them can be complex. Swagger helps streamline this process. It provides a clear structure for API development. This reduces errors and improves efficiency. Swagger also enhances collaboration between developers and stakeholders. Swagger uses a specification format to define APIs. This includes endpoints, operations, and data models. It generates interactive documentation. Developers can test APIs directly from this documentation. Swagger supports various programming languages. Swagger improves API quality and reliability. It saves time by automating documentation. Developers can focus on coding rather than writing documentation. Swagger also facilitates better communication within development teams. It ensures everyone is on the same page.